Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable RCS chat on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Messages app on your smartphone. Now if you don't have the Google Messages app downloaded on your smartphone, just download the Google Messages app from the Play Store. Just like that. Now once you download the Google Messages app, just tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon over here. Now just tap on Messages Settings. Now from here, just tap on RCS Chats. Now just make sure you enable RCS Chats on your smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can enable RCS Chat on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.